Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Chiliz C8Z daily update. It can go even higher. We are going to see what is going to happen in the short term and in the long term. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto or BillMindYourCrypto.com or buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with C8Z against USDT chart. And as you can see, C8Z is holding this bottom trend line back from 20 August down to eventually 15 September. Look at that right here. It is incredibly strong. We had a correction going on because of the bearish RSI divergence that we had back from 17 August on to 23 August. And now we are back to have probably a nice buying pressure, but we are going to see the next price targets. We are going to see the next support levels. Do not worry about that. First of all, let's go to C8Z against Bitcoin chart. But right now I have drawn the Fibonacci from the 23rd August towards the 13th September. And of course, I am in the logarithmic scale. You can go in the regular scale as well. For now, I prefer the logarithmic one. So we are having the first target at the 0.30, actually 4 O's, 1033, as you can see here. This is a major resistance level. If you see C8Z against Bitcoin chart struggling into the next few hours, then we are probably going to go further down. But if we can close above, mainly in the 4-hour frame, we can go towards the next price target, which is the 0.40's 1076, and of course the 0.40's 1140 around there. So eventually this should be our most important target out of the three. And why is that? Because if we close above, then we can go parabolic. We can go parabolic and therefore we can go even higher in the very short term, right? Eventually C8Z against Bitcoin chart is looking good. We do not have any huge overbought situation. We do not have any huge oversold situation either, but the price analysis is looking good to go even higher. Now going back to C8Z against USDT chart, what are we having right now is that I'm going to draw the fib from the top to the bottom right here. And you can see that we found as a resistance level the 0.382 Fibonacci, the 0.2070. Okay, so the next one should be the 0.2171, followed by the 0.2272. Now I think that C8Z can move towards these targets and eventually maybe even reach the 0.2441 again, around these tops right here. So good news for the ones that bought near the top. Do not worry about that. Probably C8Z is going to go there over the next few days. You can see how resilient it was not to drop down even if Bitcoin had this major crash in the previous days. So the next price targets are there. If we close above the 0.2430 in the daily frame, then we can move on towards the next price target, which is the 0.2921. Okay, around there we can go and potentially we will have our first correction. But first, we have to close above the 0.2430. This is from where we are, from where we will be actually, to the 0.2920. It is a nice 20% profit target, right? So eventually this is pretty good. We just have to close above into the 4-hour frame or the daily frame. I prefer the daily frame because we minimize the risk. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.